Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System and Updates. As you can see here we've got the reset option, so let's tap on it, and right in the middle at the second position we've got reset network settings, so let's enter. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so if you're ready, tap on reset network settings. Now your device is telling you that this operation cannot be undone, so let's tap on reset network settings if you're ready, and as you can see the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network settings in your HUAWEI MatePad T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.